Welcome dear guys, watch that video at the last moment, and in that tutorial I am going to apply that beautiful and awesome mask options on the image. Here we could try these beautiful border mask options and our photo border 9, 10, 11, 12, border 13 and border 18 and now 22 I have to try on it. These are the beautiful artistic options guys, and these are the sparkly mask option which we could try on it. That's sparkly 3, sparkly 4 and 5, and that one is a 7. So guys, that's 8 sparkly 9, and that's a sparkly mask options 10. Next one is 11, 12, and that one's a 13, and that's a sparkly 14 and 15, and that's a guys 16. Next one, these are the gradient which we could also put on the picture.